Premia Sharpening System. The sharpening system for all makes of CNC punch press tools. When producing the highest quality sheet metal parts, tooling maintenance of the punch press tools is extremely important. Only sharp tools allow exact results and at the same time extend their tool life. The Premia Universal fixture can grind any kind of punch press tools and dies easily, fast and securely. First of all, install the individual tool and scan the tool height with a probe arm. Enter the amount to be removed on the touchscreen monitor and select your grinding program. That's it. Now the grinding process starts automatically. The operator can leave the Premia unsupervised during this operation. You can precisely grind all makes of punch press tools and dies. The angle table can be adjusted infinitely variable up to 12 degrees for rooftop tools and whisper shears. Innovative components allow easy and quick maintenance. The magnetic system catches up to 80% of the sharpening swarf. The remaining 20% are trapped in the textile filter. With the intuitive operation, the powerful motor and the ability to accept any tooling style, keeping your tooling equipment in optimal condition has never been easier. Our dealer will be pleased to demonstrate the Premia Sharpening System live or visit our homepage www.hefter-premia.com.